So now that we've got the unreconciled line count, as close as we're going to get it to zero right now, the one that's still remaining is the one that we still need to go into our CRM, create the relevant service, and then when we sync it back to Cloud Olive, then we'll be able to go through and complete the mapping. So we're going to do this after the fact. So what we want to focus on now is how do I find the two line items that we're effectively underbilling for and the two that we're overbilling for. So if you just click on the CRM units off column, what it's essentially doing is the underbilling is indicating that we're buying 30. So this is the vendor unit quantity here. And then here is what is listed inside of your CRM. So we're buying 30, we're only selling 10. So Cloud Olive is saying, hey, you're underbilling in this case by 20. So that's why it's in amber. And then down here, it's the other way around. So we're buying 4, but we're selling 5. So, hey, we're overbilling by 1 unit in this instance. Cloud Olive does have a full API pushback capability. So if we want to make this adjustment, if you don't see any sync icon here, just click this edit button up here against the vendor name in reconciliation. And we want to look at this button here. So enable pushback. By having that on and submit and come back into here. Now over here, we've got an option where we can actually sync that back to your CRM. So what this is doing now is there is a pop-up. So it's not going to happen automatically as you see. It's going where the vendor count is 30. Currently inside the CRM is 10. Would you like Cloud Olive to make that match? Yes, I do. So by syncing that, the little set done toggle automatically slides across. And the reason why we do that is any changes that have occurred inside the CRM we don't know about it since 15 minutes ago when the last sync occurred. The sync with your CRM does automatically happen every 24 hours. However, for City West server here, we can just work through this. So here you get a notification, you get a rough time frame of how long it's going to take. And now this City West line, if I just do a refresh for the ESET server, and I look at City West, you notice that that's now perfect and it's not being impacted in the underbilling component where it was there. To fly through this pretty quick, if you click the show all discrepancies, this leaves you with everything that Cloud Olive isn't happy about. So underbilling, overbilling, and in this case, we still have this one line item that is yet to be mapped just yet.